Today is Thursday. What day? Thursday. All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. I want to give a quick announcement. No Upward Bound meeting will happen today, this Thursday. The next Upward Bound meeting will be on Tuesday, October 3rd. Today, we're going to continue with knowing our emotions with the introduction of two new emotions. Our first emotion we're going to talk about is fear, and here to help us is the frightener. Fear is a feeling that everyone has. It's programmed into all of us. There are a number of things that could cause fear, and this can vary from person to person. It could be things like chasing dogs, loud noises, the what ifs of life, growing old, bullying, or seeing something new that we don't understand at the moment. Our fears can be based on something real or imaginary. But being afraid, having that fear, that's not, that can be a good thing too, because fear is there to protect us. We're born with a sense of fear, so we can react to something that could be dangerous. So, the next emotion we're going to talk about is sad, is feeling sad. And here to help us is tearful. Sadness is a negative emotion that makes us feel unhappy. And sometimes we may express that through our tears. Sadness is something everyone feels. And this could be from being stuck at home grounded, being left out or rejected, to losing something or losing a loved one. It's normal to feel this emotion from time to time. When other people know you're sad, they can try to help you feel better. And with that, those will be our two emotions for the day. Now, we move into our Student of the Week, Kinder Edition. We have a number of questions that we're going to answer so you can guess who our Student of the Week is. First off is the number of siblings they have. And our answer is none. Next up, places they've lived. And this student has lived in Brevik Mission. Now, something that they are interested in. And this individual loves to hang with their friends. Their favorite thing to do is play with toys. Their favorite foods are pizza and cupcakes. And they love to watch The Little Mermaid. But when they're not watching The Little Mermaid, they love to read Elsa and Anna, a Frozen book. Their favorite color is purple, and the color of their favorite sweater is pink. They love to play basketball, and one of the favorite things they love to say is brah. One day they want to go to Disneyland, and if they could have any superpower, it would be to turn invisible. And when they grow up, they want to be Princess Peach from the Super Mario Brothers. Can you guess who this student is? If you guessed Rachel Kakuna from Kinder, you're right. Congratulations, Rachel, for being Student of the Week. I want to say thank you for everyone for watching the assembly today. Have a terrific Thursday.